Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. And today I have got an unboxing from Amazon. And this is just going to be a little bit different of a video. So, before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to my subscribers. I appreciate every one of you. And to all my new subscribers, welcome, and I appreciate you also. So, what is this, you ask? Well, this is from a company on Amazon, and I hope I pronounce this correctly, but it is Kipipol, and it's y'all, I am so sorry. Kipipol, maybe? I don't think I'm pronouncing that right at all. But this is the company, and I will put the description and everything in, or the links to everything in my description box. But this is the company that this is from, and it is from Amazon. And these are toys worth playing. Okay? This company has got several little craft kits that they sell on Amazon. They are geared towards children, but I think this would be fun to do myself. But they do have, I made some notes. So like I said, this did come from Amazon, so you can get on Amazon and purchase this and all the other kits that they have, which I seen they had wooden train sets. They've got rock painting. They've got, what else did they have? They had stencil kits. Of course, they have the water globe kit, and I think they have some others. So, we're going to open this together and look and see what this kit's all about. But I want you to look at this box. It is so pretty, and I have 5 grandchildren that are ages 9 and under. And I know that if they were to see this, they would get so excited just because it's colorful and pretty. And I think the box is a very nice box. And it's a sturdy box. But it's for ages 4 and up. And I'm sure if you have smaller children than that, I probably wouldn't get this for them. But if you did, you know, as a parent or grandparent, you can do this craft with them, and they'd probably still enjoy it. But it says, make your own water globes, and this makes 4 amazing water globes, okay? It is 4 water globes and 20 packs of clay, and then down here it says that this helps with hand-eye coordination, imagination and creativity, and fine motor skills. And then on the end of it, it just has the name of the company, Kipipol, I think. And again, it says toys worth playing, and make your own water globes. And then on the sides, it just has like a snow scene. And then on the back, now I'm not going to read all of this, but I will put it up so that you can pause the camera or pause the video and you can read it yourself. But it says, create your underwater globes. Okay, so let's get this open. Let me see. I'm going to need my box cutter, it is taped right here. Now, they do have a website, and I will link that also. Let's see if I can open this without hitting the camera. So when you open it, this is what it looks like on the inside. Now, I want to thank them because they sent this to me to show to y'all. And I really, really, really appreciate them doing that. That was very kind of them. And I really hope that everyone goes and checks their company out. Like I said, if you've got grandkids, small children, you'll definitely want to check this company out. And, you know, if you're homeschooling, this would be a great kit for, you know, to do with your homeschoolers also. Not just, you know, your grandkids coming over for the weekend. But, okay, so let's see. We've got an instruction guide. And this has got, this is pretty thick paper. It's got everything that we need to know in here. It shows you how to make the octopus, a penguin, a pineapple, a rainbow, scallop shells, a sea star, and a horn nail. And then on the back it just has their stuff again. So there are regular clay in these of different colors. And you get 3 bottles of glitter. There's a gold, a pink, and a silver. Alright. Now I am going to set these to the side. You get your little snowflakes in a package. I guess that's what that is. Let's see. And then you got, let's see, let's open this up. Alright, these are little plastic characters. You've got a penguin. Looks like he's got a headband on, holding a stick. And then you've got, well, you've got a pink flamingo, unless this is supposed to be a swan, but it looks to me like a flamingo with no legs. Then you've got a Pegasus. Oh, you've got 2 of them. Okay. So there's 2 of those. And then you've got a little girl mermaid. Isn't she cute? Very cute. So those are the different things that goes in here. All right. And then this is your glue. It's a bottle of glue. So they've got every single thing that you would need to put this together already in here. And then it's got your little carving knives and stuff. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in here. You can see that. And then in this box, let me just move this. Okay, this will be your snow globes. Alright, look, it has a little funnel. So I guess you can pour this in there. Oh, is this cute? Alright, so you have 4 snow globes, and they are nicely packaged in the bubble wrap. But there's your little stopper. So there's the top. This is the base. And you would put all your little things in here. And then you would make your little characters and stuff to put in here. And then I'm assuming you would put this in, probably turn it upside down, and take this little thing here out. in order to pour this in. And then your water, all that. Yeah, definitely you have to read the instructions, but it's not hard. I mean, you can see it's not hard. This would not be hard to do at all whatsoever. But I could see where these would be very, very fun to do. So you've got a pink one. We have a purple one. We have a green one. And then there's a yellow one. So that's neat. There's some really cute colors. But yeah, everything you need to do your snow globes are inside this box. So that is really neat. And I'm going to pull y'all up. Alright. So you've got your snow globes, your funnel, glue, you've got your clay, you have got glitter, you've got your tools that you need, you've got your little characters, you've got your snow, you have got your instruction book that will tell you how to do everything. And then that is what they look like. And then, of course, you've got your box. And again, it shows you what these look like. So, like with the Pegasus, it shows you how to make the rainbow. So the rainbow goes in behind the Pegasus. So, yeah. And then, look, you can make your little snowman and some little blocks. That is so cute. That is so cute. And, of course, with the clay, you can do whatever you want with it. You can make whatever you want with it. They don't have to look exactly like that. That's part of, the imagination and creativity that they want you to explore. So, but yeah. Again, I want to thank Julia for sending this to me from their company, Kipipol. Again, I'm going to butcher this. Kipipol. I'm so sorry. But this is, again, from Amazon. Like I said, they do have a website that I will put on my description box. I will put a link to all of this in my description box. Now, I don't make anything from this. This is just me reviewing their products to you, my subscribers. So, I do not make anything from this. Except for I did get the kit for free. They did send this to me for free for review. Now, this kit is $25.99, and that's about what they range. But, I mean, you get everything in your kit, and, you can't beat that, really. You really can't. And if you have Amazon Prime, I mean, you'll have this in, just a couple days. So, alright, y'all. So, this is what I wanted to bring to show y'all. Like I said, it's a little different from my normal videos, but this is a craft channel. And so, I want to bring to y'all different crafts that you can do. I myself, I do all kinds of stuff. I paint. I paint rocks. I paint by number. I adult color. I diamond paint. I have tinkered with some resin. I do jigsaw puzzles. I mean, I do all kinds of stuff. So that's why I did my channel the name that I named it, so that I wouldn't be stuck to anything, any one craft. So, yeah. So, like I said, I am bringing this to y'all. And I hope y'all go check these out because they are absolutely awesome. So, all right, I just want to thank y'all for watching my videos. And until my next one, I will see everyone later. And again, thank you for letting me show this product on my channel. Bye, y'all.